Hello friends, I am DK and I welcome you all to your own channel. Friends, in this tutorial series known as Zero to Hero, this is the episode number 25 in English version. Those who are interested in Hindi versions, there is a separate playlist on the channel where they can access all the tutorials on technical analysis in Hindi version. So friends, in this particular episode of Zero to Hero number 25, we are going to discuss about a very important chart patterns, or you may call it a price pattern, which is rounding bottom. Friends, rounding bottom is a very rarely appearing pattern but very reliable pattern. So this I call it as a game changer, because once you identify a rounding bottom, which is a very rare kind of pattern, so and its reliability is very high, it can give you many times returns, and hence we call it as a rare opportunity for big profits. Today in this tutorial we will know what is rounding bottom, how to identify them, what are the volume patterns in rounding bottom formation, why such pattern get formed, what is the rationale behind, and friends, we will cover few examples on Indian market where these kind of patterns had appeared, and then the stock has given the phenomenal returns. And we will also take up one example of recently appearing rounding bottom pattern in Indian market. So friends, if you're watching this video, have not yet subscribed the channel, do subscribe the channel. And if you want to join as a member of the channel, click on the join button or link given in the description box below, and you will know the details about our membership program in collaboration with YouTube. So friends, let's move ahead and start this important session. And friends, after you have subscribed the channel, do not forget to enable the notification bell so that you are well notified on time for upcoming uploads. So friends, today we are discussing all about rounding patterns, which is nothing but a chart patterns or a price pattern that appear on the price chart. But round shaped patterns sometimes may be very confusing to the beginner. So there are two types of rounding patterns that we come across in the price chart, and both the patterns are actually dealt differently. Differently in the sense, in terms of your stance for the market would be different when these patterns appear. So one today we are talking about is the rounding bottom, which is a bullish reversal chart pattern after a long-term bearish market. This kind of pattern will get formed. And friend, another is cup and handle, where beginners get confused. They start talking about even cup and handle kind of pattern. Also they call it ki rounding pattern has appeared on the chart, or rounding bottom has appeared on the chart, while cup and handle is a continuation chart pattern. It is not a reversal chart pattern. So when we talk about under Zero to Hero all about continuation chart pattern, we will be covering in detail all about cup and handle patterns. Today just I wanted to let you know that we as a technical analyst and trader must develop that skill to differentiate between rounding bottom and cup and handle kind of formation, because one is a reversal chart pattern which is rounding bottom, while cup and handle is a continuation chart pattern after a healthy correction in the market, in an uptrending market. So friend, this I wanted to give an emphasis, and hence I have touched upon cup and handle also, although we will have a separate tutorial on cup and handle as we move forward in Zero to Hero tutorial series in English. So friends, let us briefly understand what is rounding bottom before we go to the pictorial diagram for conceptual understanding, and also we will be discussing on the actual market condition, that is on the price chart. So friend, rounding bottom, as I have given already an emphasis, that's a rare but reliable pattern. And friends, this particular type of pattern, as name suggests, it looks of rounding shape, a kind of U type of pattern, because in English letter U gets formed with a rounding bottom. So the left hand side of the U indicates the market was in downtrend, while right hand side of the U indicates that the market is now moving in an upward direction, while the U shape, the rounding shape, indicates a little consolidation at the turning point of the market, where the market stops making lower lows kind of formation and consolidates a little bit in a narrow band. So friends, it looks like a U shape and hence it's called rounding bottom. It appears when it appears after a extended downtrend. For several years, downtrend has moved into the market, and then these kind of patterns start forming in an extended trend. Means prior to formation of the U shape, I'm not talking about the breakout of it. I'm talking about the formation part of it. When it is forming a U shape, that is a rounding bottom, prior to that there was a market which was downtrending market was making lower highs and lower lows kind of formation, and market was getting a selling pressure. The moment market took a little pullback, there was a selling pressure, and so market was trending down. And then friends, bullish reversal pattern is getting formed after the U shape. Market completes the recovery part of it. From where it has started falling, it reaches to that level and then finally gets breakout, and hence it is called bullish reversal price pattern. So friend, it is a quite a reliable pattern, very rare pattern, but it offers a great deal of opportunity, because in any stock, such formation when it takes place, you know, it has a potential to give returns many times after the breakout has taken place. It can go 4x, 5x kind of return in a very shorter duration of time, in 2 to 3 years time after the breakout has taken place. The pattern itself might take 10 years, 12 years, 7 years, 8 years time to get formed. But normally it is seen that many fold return can be encashed in another 2-3 years of time after the breakout has been witnessed on the price chart. So friends, let us pictorially understand, for conceptual understanding, that as to how this kind of pattern appear on the price chart. So friend, the market was in downtrend. You can see the U-shape formation, where this portion is indicating that the market was in downtrend, where it was making lower highs and lower lows kind of formation. And then market gets flattened, means it stops making lower lows kind of formation, means making further lower formation gets halted here, and then market takes a jump. So U type formation gets formed, so we call it as a double bottom formation. Let us see on the this particular diagram. Here the market was in downtrending mode, and it was making lower highs and lower lows kind of formation, and we can see the rounding shape it has formed. Then I'm talking about this kind of base formation. You can see the market consolidated in the narrow band and then it started moving up, and finally the level from where it started falling is achieved and price goes past that level. So beautiful rounding shape has been formed, and it takes several years from this point to this point, and finally a breakout. Several years it takes. Why it takes several years, I will explain a little while from now. So in this particular pattern, we can see what we call it as a neckline, where the price started falling from this point vertically, and then consolidation, price rises and finally breaks out of this neckline, and this is called a breakout of rounding bottom pattern. So what we can see, this is the breakout point, and this is how rounding bottom shapes years for its formation. So friends, let us now understand that how much time it takes to form a rounding bottom. So there is no fixed formula to say this much number of years it will take to form a rounding bottom formation, but it takes years to form. When I say it takes years to form, it could be 5 years, 7 years, 8 years, 9 years, 12 years kind of formation. When we go to the price chart and see few examples of rounding bottom that appeared in Indian market in previous years or past years, we will appreciate that it has taken 10 to 12 years time in many cases. And we will also look into the recent example where one kind of pattern we have identified, and we will discuss that also in the present scenario. And friend, it's very important that it might take several years to form, maybe 10 years, 8 years or 12 years to form, but it's a very reliable pattern. Longer the duration is taken to form, better is the reliability. Because what is witnessed is, and what is observed in majority of the cases is, once the rounding bottom formation has been completed and breakout has taken place, even if it has taken 10 years to form, but it gives a several times return, the target gets achieved maximum in 2 years time. Whether it takes 8 years to form or takes 12 years to form, but normally target gets achieved in 2 years time, and it might give a several time returns of the target, because target is the minimum expected objective in any chart pattern, because it's a bullish reversal price pattern, which means the market was in a downtrending move, and once it has come in the markup phase, it is likely to make higher highs and higher lows kind of formation in coming years or coming, you don't know how many years a bull run will run. So friend, it's very important that such chart patterns should be studied and seen in monthly and weekly time frame or larger time frame, because we need more data to analyze, and it's simply not possible when we find a pattern which is looking like a rounding shape in hourly chart pattern or any lower time frame. It's probably it's not a reversal chart pattern. So it has to be studied if we want to find such patterns and take our decision from investment perspective. We call it as a value investment proposition when such pattern appears, and hence it needs to be analyzed in monthly and weekly time frame. So let us now understand as to why such kind of formation gets formed on the price chart. Why rounding bottom patterns get formed on a stock which was trading at a very high value or higher price, it becomes a valueless or almost has become a penny stocks. Why does it happen? That does not mean I am trying to emphasize that you should indulge into trading into or investing into penny stocks. But yes, there has been an instances when you find a rounding bottom kind of pattern, a penny stocks in coming years can become a multi-bagger. So why such patterns get formed is the first question mark, because there might be some issue relating to the management aspect. There are some serious fundamental issues the company is facing. It could be on front of their product line. Either the product, because of the upcoming new technology, has become obsolete and there is a demand constraint in the market. They are not able to sell the products into the market, or there has been several technical complaints which they have got it from the customers and regarding the products, so they are facing the problem of orders on their products. It could be several problems relating to the fundamental aspects of the company where the stock has plunged it down drastically low after a massive downtrending move. Then what happens? Then company management makes a revival plan. Considering all those problems and fundamental issues which the company has faced for several years, now they have decided to revive the company and de-bottleneck all those fundamental issues which they were encountering. And in the process, once the revival plan is put into action, the price of the stock starts recovering slowly and slowly. And in order to get the results out of the revival plan, it takes years. And once that happens, you will find such kind of formation, which is a rounding bottom, has taken several years to form, and finally a breakout of a neckline. So you will rarely find this kind of formation in a chart of gold or maybe silver or base metals, because there is a constant demand of these base metals or precious metal. You will not find such kind of pattern at index level, because such patterns cannot be found, because index constitute of several companies. Like if you talk about Nifty 50, it has 50 fundamentally large cap companies constituting the Nifty 50. And when a particular company starts performing badly, it gets out of the Nifty and some another stock replaces that stock. And hence at index level, you won't find such pattern formation. So it is a very stock specific, because it is a company specific. So now let's understand the volume patterns in rounding bottom formation and what are the methods that we adopt to trade. So friends, we will discuss how to trade the rounding bottom patterns or take a positional view, because ultimately such patterns needs to be considered for positional trading or investment perspective. So friend, it's very important to understand the formation of pattern, its breakout, and what are the volume patterns that appear when we see or observe a rounding bottom. So you will find that the volume is like, when this portion is getting formed, when the market is downtrending, here it starts falling vertically, so you'll find there is a substantial rise in the volume, and then finally during the process of downtrending move in a markdown phase of the market, volume gets depleting effect. It starts reducing, and then finally when the market is making the bottom, it volume is almost very less, and then suddenly volume starts rising when the market starts showing the reversal on upside move. And finally you will find when the breakout takes place, there is a surge in the volume. So you will see the low volume here, rising volume here, and then finally the breakout shall always accompany with the surge in the volume, and then only we see the extent of participation at the time of breakout and prior to breakout when the market was almost, here you will find some different kind of chart patterns as well when the market is reversing post extended downtrending market. So friend, what should be the trading style? The moment breakout takes place here, means this is called neckline, where price started falling from here, had fallen, formed a rounding shape, there is a breakout, and once we decide to make an entry here at the breakout point, after the breakout candle has been formed, we measure the height of rounding bottom from the lowest point. Please mark my word, I am using the lowest point. Lowest means if the lower shadow of a candle is the lowest point, we will measure from that point to the neckline and project this height on upside where it will calculate the target. We all know in any kind of price pattern or chart pattern, all the targets are minimum expected objective. So it's a minimum target. So we can always formulate the strategy to ride the trend and trail the stop loss. What should be the stop loss in such trading? The stop loss should be 1 ATR below the neckline, because once the neckline has been broken, the price has gone past the neckline. What does it mean? The neckline should act as a support. We fix the stop loss 1 ATR below so that our stop loss is well protected and not triggered simply because of the market noises. And hence, this is the target. This particular formation might take several years, 8 years, 10 years, 12 years, but this target is normally achieved maximum in 2 years time. So friends, now let us have a look to the actual market condition and example on the price chart. This is the price chart of Bata India in monthly time frame, where we can see the price has fallen from 102 level to as low as this stock had become of rupees 10 only, and it can be seen there is a vertical fall where the market made a bottom here, and then a beautiful rounding bottom shape has made it, and this is the neckline where the price recovered, and finally this fall started in the month of April to 1999, and finally if you see the original price, it took many years for recovery to take place, and for a decisive breakout to take place, it has taken around how many years? It has taken around 8-9 years or maybe more than that for this. And then once there was a breakout, we can see the phenomenal rise in the price of this particular stock, and the price after it has broken out the 102 level, which was a previous high, we can see this particular stock has made a lifetime high of 1890 rupees, nearly 1900. So it was a very big jump, and we can see, if we see the target here, the target was achieved in a very short time. As far as you might be wondering, if you are closely observing my example, what has happened here? Here there was a breakout. Here the entry price got triggered because the high of the breakout candle was broken, and finally the stop loss in the first attempt was triggered because it has come down to the 1 ATR below. So what has happened? Once again it made an attempt to give a breakout here, we can say in the month of December 2007, but in this case the high of this breakout candle was 133.15. so we put an buy stop order. As you know that we do a several analysis, and we have given to a large extent the methodology how you can avoid the fake breakout. So here our entry price did not trigger. Finally again the price broke out here decisively, and here again the entry was triggered, so we could enter into the market at 114 again, put a stop loss 1 ATR below. So first attempt our stop loss got triggered. In the second attempt the trigger price for entry did not trigger. In the third attempt it was the entry price that got triggered, and you can see how much time it has taken to achieve the target. I am measuring from the low point to and putting it from the point of breakout. You can see I am just putting it out, and you can see the target from the point of breakout. It has taken hardly few months to achieve it, and this target was achieved. 190 target was there, which was achieved in how many months? Let me measure from the point of breakout till the target was achieved here. has taken only 10 months time to achieve this target. But this is always a minimum expected target, and we can see ultimately many times the stock has gone to made a high of. So anybody entering to this stock and after formation of a rounding bottom would have made a very great amount. Yes, in the first attempt our stop loss got triggered. That is why we cannot neglect in the stock market, buy it and then say that it's for a long term. No, we have to always track our investment. There has to be always entry and exit price. We must decide before we make an entry to the market. So let us move and take another example of rounding bottom. So this is another example on Tata LXI. We can see the price from the level of nearly 200 has fallen to the low of 11 rupees. So massive fall, vertical fall, then the price started recovering here. It has given a breakout, but here the entry price did not trigger. We can see the next month candle did not trigger the entry price. So we were not into the trade, waited again, and then finally price plunged within the demand zone. Then again here was a breakout. Here our trigger price got triggered, and let us see in this case what has happened. What was the ATR value? If we see at this point when we our trigger price got for entry got triggered, here we can see the, let us check the ATR value whether it was triggered or not. So here the ATR value was only 20 rupees. So from here 20 rupees if we do minus, so here also we could save the stop loss. So our entry which got triggered here, and ultimately you can see as to how price has gone from our entry price which was at 117 or something. It went up to and made a lifetime high of how much? It has made a lifetime high of 1400 plus, friend. So if we calculate the target of this double bottom, the target was achieved very in less time. You can see I am measuring it. I am measuring from this point. The purpose is to explain you as to how we can trade the rounding bottom for a massive profit. Why I am putting it here? Because here the entry price was not triggered, and finally we can see here we entered, and how many here to achievement of the target, it has taken nearly 3 years time to achieve the target. And finally friends, question is not the target, but many times it has a potential to give return. Now let us go ahead and discuss one formation which has just taken place in Indian market. This is the price chart of Bharti Airtel in monthly time frame. What we can see, the price from a very high of 513.05 which it made in October 2007 had fallen to a very low level, which is in October 2008 it has fallen to the level of 200. We can see this vertical fall, then price started consolidated, and finally friend, it has taken so many years, and in this current month it is trying to give a decisive breakout, friends. Here it has given a breakout of this neckline in the month of February 2020, but it was not a decisive breakout. However, in the current month we can see the candle is bullish. So let the let the May month candle be over, which will finally decide whether the rounding bottom breakout has taken place. But it is looking imminent that it is likely to break. So how many years? It started falling from 2007. So friend, if it breaks out at this point of time, that means it has taken almost 12-13 years to form this kind of reversal pattern. And what if we calculate the target, for example, if we consider that this candle remains bullish for the entire month of May and closes, then we can see the possible target. It is likely to be in Bharti Airtel. Many folds we can achieve the target, and the minimum expected target would be 200 plus 500, 300, means 300 point above from this level could be a very handsome target. So once we project the target from the point of breakout, so the target calculates to nearly, friends, it's nearly coming to 790 to 800, means in presently the price is trading how much, at 540. So this target is likely to be achieved in next 2 years time, which on the basis of experience we had in many kind of rounding bottom formation. So it is looking to be stock price going many times from this point of time. However, let the candle be over, breakout be decisive, and then our stop loss would be 1 ATR below this. It might fail in first attempt, but this stock needs to be tracked continuously and regularly, because it is likely to give a very good return considering the present formation in the month of May 2020. So friends, if you have liked this presentation, give a thumbs up to this video, put a like button, it motivates me. And friends, if you have not yet subscribed this channel, do subscribe. It's a free channel, and if you want to join the membership of this channel for added benefits and perks, you can look into the join membership program on this channel. And friends, do not forget to share this video among your social base friend circle, so that others also receive the benefits of these kind of free tutorials on the channel, so that they can also become part of your and my family by subscribing this channel. So friends, thank you very much for watching. Thanks a lot. Looking forward to meet you again.